This is happening every time, but I cannot say at the mercy of the public prosecutor every time.
Before the honorable coordinate bench, that is how.
No problem.
A young boy.
Just wait. There is a compliance of order dated 14th July. Where is but?
Affidavit is a compliance report which they were.
Page number.
Sorry, the papers are on.
Filed.
Yes, affidavit is already filed. Written exhaustive.
123 is the affidavit, but the honorable court has asked for the status report of what is the direction of the investigation because we have
14th July compliance where is?
no compliance. They have
14th July
affidavit only.
I let you verify because papers are not there.
So not interested then.
No, it is not.
And the difficulty is that
Just wait later. Then not interested then still.
No, certainly not because he is on his legs before the honorable coordinate bench. That is how. Matters.
What is your grievance?
the grievance is that a young boy of 24 years
Hmm.
was killed in Gondal.
Killed.
Yes.
Oh.
Because the 42 injuries are found in the
Hmm.
post-mortem report.
Hmm.
Certain injuries are in NS portion of the body,
I got it.
and it's a modus operandi of this gang.
Gang.
Yes.
Oh. So what is your relief? But why
We
you
are
have
saying the
done this?
CBI investigation because the
CBI
police, yes,
investigation.
because there are kindly see on the same day the missing report was given. After about 8 days, they registered a FIR. For 4-5 days, the dead body was kept in the morgue, and thereafter, when we approach, and we have already approached the.
As it is filed after July, March 2025.
There are three aspects. One is a missing
Both
complaint.
regarding, but March 2025 complaint is registered.
Yes.
Complaint
That
is,
going on.
but what is statutory period for filing of charge sheet?
It is almost at the verge of conviction. That's not my.
After 7 or 8 months.
In a moment. It is registered in minutes since FSL is yet pending. It is registered on minutes 9/3/2025 with Kuwadwa police.
Based on the record compliance, otherwise you are not interested. I have to
No,
presume.
it is not so much. We have filed a detailed affidavit.
But killing the time, then authority.
Certainly.
Why not, ma'am?
My husband not
3 months gone, what is the statutory period to file the charge sheet?
They are required to do it within the statutory time frame.
Itself it shows then that they are in action, you are in action. Merit is apart. I am not on this aspect.
It is on the
He may be right or wrong. I am not on this.
My
But what is the duty of police?
is on the verge of completion. That is what my instructions are. My officer is also present with investigating so far as the FIR which is registered at Kuwadwa police station.
So this one is
The missing report was in Gondal police station. They have registered FIR of accidental death. Kindly see page 64 of minute Marot.
one big issue. What is your grievance?
My grievance is that
In which missing complaint or second?
missing complaint has not been investigated. They have registered simply a different FIR where he has been shown to have been killed in a bus accident. Our case is that if we see the injuries, post-mortem report page 64,
Which complaint under question you are seeking that investigation for which FIR?
he has been, there are 3 incidents. On 2nd March,
So 3
he
how
was
is
killed in
transparent one
Bangalow.
petition there?
That is how
he was severely beaten up.
exhaustive details were given details of all the three. One is one missing complaint.
So 3
They
complaint,
are
how makes and one
connected, they are
IO?
connected, interconnected.
Three different authorities are investigating. One is a missing complaint because the complainant first originally his father who is the complainant.
But now missing, nothing is remaining. Then after offense is registered, then you have to file. One is gone now.
Thereafter, Janava Jogi is registered and NC
But
complaint.
Janwa Jogi and missing both common na then?
NC complaint is
NC
registered.
for what?
NC complaint is registered on the ground because it is alleged that this victim deceased was being beaten.
Victim?
Yes, the deceased, the petitioner is the father of the deceased. Now his
What is the
allegation-
chronology? First missing?
Yes, that is how it would my lords kindly have page 123 of my affidavit.
123.
My affidavit starts from page number 123.
Yeah.
Now, brief facts we have narrated was all three of them at from page number 126. This is the fact of missing complaint. Because this is dated, the incident is that on 3/3/2025, the deceased went away. That is how missing complaint, whereas it came to be registered before Gondal City B Division Police Station on 6/3/2025. We have annexed that copy. Then about the fatal accident. Whereas, on 4/3, next page, my lords may see. An unidentified, whereas injured person was found, was lying at Rajkot Ahmedabad National Highway. Well, initially, they were not able to trace out who's dead, who this injured person is. Because thereafter, when the dead body was brought to the hospital for the purpose of treatment, the deceased had succumbed to the injuries, and that is how it was unidentified body. Subsequently, was owing to this missing complaint, it came to the notice of the authorities that this is the very same person who was found to be missing. That is how the dead body came to be identified and an FIR came to be registered with the Kuwadwa police station. That is annexed at annexure R2 and the date of FIR is 9/3/2025. And so far as an NC complaint is concerned, it is the case of the petitioner that when he and his son were going towards a particular area, they were both physically abused by some persons and individuals. They were called in the house and that is how they were beaten. And therefore this NC offense is registered.
Page 47 is
On which
absolutely
date,
incorrect.
sir, on which date?
That is
NC, NC,
the incident is
NC complaint.
My lord, the date is 15/3/2025. The incident is of 2/3/2025.
Just minute, ma'am. If he was expired on 9th March 2025,
Yes.
how then offense under
Expired on
15th
3rd
March? 3rd or 9th, whatever may be, but how in 15th March NC complaint is registered?
Gondal. That is how we are submitting at Gondal.
But how is permissible na?
That is on submitting. At that
He was no
juncture-
more na.
No, at that juncture, Gondal police authorities were not aware that this individual is already, the FIR is registered at Kuwadwa police station, Rajkot. That is how three different authorities
It's
are
a
involved.
common district, Rajkot district. We have approached the commissioner of police. Police had talked to me for 8 days. The persons were misled by the even commissioner saying that he is alive.
You
Yes.
both do prepare one gist of allegations, R1, R2 and R3.
Now, it might not happen.
Or may,
So it's a date and time-wise chart where the deceased had traveled, what incident had happened, and as against that, what is the material investigating agency, different investigating agency, all three had collected. So that is how this chart we have prepared, which will make the things clear that it is a case, unfortunate case of an accidental death. And not the case as apprehended by my learned senior friend's
for
client.
a moment, while kindly see page
So-
64, 13, one number.
These individual aspects will not make the picture clear. If I will take my notes through the
No,
sequence
how
of this,
post-mortem report reflects the injury, 42 injuries. It cannot be caused in a bus accident. These are anti-mortem
there also
injuries
we have investigated.
and contused lacerated wound. He has been beaten with iron rods and rod was inserted in his anus. That is being shown, my lord. It is a clear case of killing.
There is all CCTV footages are preserved.
Everything. Panchnaama is there.
No, I
Or
will
my
point out. Let me just
I may also place
let,
this
let,
paper.
let me just point out, my lord, the case, my lord. First of all, the honorable court may for the time being turn to, my lord, page.
But we have not left any stone unturned to investigate this.
What is your
matter.
conclusion?
Conclusion is that this is accidental.
Accident.
Accident.
May I just point out chronology?
Just minute.
Chronology, so that the picture is very clear. Page 10 of the petition will make everything clear, my lord. These aspects have not been investigated. These aspects are required to be investigated and
What is your name?
yes. Kindly see, my lord, the first incident happened on 2nd March. The father and son were
Any PM note, what you?
PM note, kindly see page 60.
Okay.
In a minute. 63, 64. First post-mortem report was conducted on 4th March. This is the second at our instance. The post-mortem was carried out and 42 injuries were found. Kindly see injury number 31. Curved shape. Kindly see mark. It can be caused by curved iron rod. Curved shape, lacerated wound, size, class 31, page 64, 31st injury. Lacerated wound size 7/3 cm present on the right perineal region just behind the anus. It is deep up to the underlying muscles. On the internal examination, right hip bone is dislocated from its attachment with so and so. Right, I mean, there is an opinion of the doctor, a well-known doctor, who has said that he has done page 79.
Accident with? Accident with
Luxury bus.
luxury bus.
And he was
On a
found
road?
naked.
On a
He was
road?
found not naked.
On road?
Yes.
On road and during investigation, subsequently, as we are able to trace that luxury bus contacted, there we found a mobile call between the driver and owner, where driver had confessed to the owner that because of my luxury bus, this accident had taken place. Now we have sent that call recording to the FSL for voice spectrography report, and
Okay,
we
we
are
accept.
awaiting for that.
We accept no difficulty. What about hand bottom injury?
Yes, that also we have called for the pilots may kindly have this one after.
All are anti-bottom injury, 42.
What is your explanation for that?
Yes, page 45. Sir, investigating officer is now in this budget
The budget.
happened.
This is
Sir,
not given to honor.
Investigation is yet going on, so my learned friend I will not be able to pardon.
I am not an accused, my lord. I am
No,
the
still
person here.
we cannot pardon. Page 45. But their investigating officer will not be able to decide. Therefore, he had written to the panel of doctors.
Page 122 photograph.
This is not a proper opinion, sir.
So there-
This one is not opinion of forensic science expert. Once again, I tell you.
so this is signed by three
Predetermined
doctors.
opinion.
So we cannot.
Never I have come across or read over such type of sentences. ઘસરકાયુક્ત ખામીઓ જોવાની ચૂકાઈ જાય. There is a clear cut forensic science PM then. With minute, with the photograph, everything they have to say. Opine with the references. Numbers of excerpt we have examined as a PDA.
Now I don't.
Numbers of witnesses.
Eye injury without
Even
any accident.
Even they
because of eye
falsify the opinion also with the references. With the references. This opinion is wrong, it is incorrect.
Oh, I understand.
But
But
then kindly read-
officer had no left
No.
any stone unturned.
No problem, but 45 read them.
45.
Huh.
Yeah, I understand.
So is it a proper, is it a proper then?
No, but my investigating officer.
It's,
No,
This
I
one is
don't
not a
at least
satisfaction.
consider, because if at all investigating officer's wish was to hide something, he will not call.
no,
for-
I am not talking about this opinion clearly.
Here. But other CCTV footages will not lie, my lords. May I-
Rajkot, na, today's opinion like.
Gondal, my lord, Gondal, these persons are very influential person. They have
So-
created the entire story of the accident. It's a clear case of murder.
CCTV
I will be able to
will not
demonstrate.
lie. They are collected.
But from the panel of the 3 experts there, different colleges. There are many forensic experts.
We'll take opinion from them also.
Even Jamnagar is also to there.
We'll call for the
City
opinion.
civil, even in Vadodara, but perhaps she is retired now. But she is also good.
Page 36 also is regarding this PM notice, my lord.
36,
Please, yeah.
but sir, opinion is very doubt.
Page 122.
Accidental
एक
injury-
photograph जोशन साहब आपने
Sir,
cover किया.
accidental injury in the Modi and the Narayan Reddy, what say? So, whisper about this for opinion, for comment.
Sir,
What
page-
said Modi? and Dr. Narayan Reddy. Show me one line.
120
Show me
પર
one
સાહેબ આ
line.
ફોટોગ્રાફ જુઓ સાહેબ.
Accidental injury.
આવી
Accidental injury accept as it is.
No, no, I completely.
અને NS ની અંદર થાય સાહેબ,
We are bound by these three
I am
doctors.
not denying, but generally
Yes.
his grievance is also up to some extent. Today I am not, yes, it's a question of appreciation of evidence, but prima facie it appears that
Therefore, page 36.
very expert opine like this is, but one is a
ફોટો
tutor.
જોશો ને આપણને ખબર પડે એવું છે કે આ
36
એન્ટી
also
મોર્ટમ
valid.
માર્યો છે જબરજસ્ત. He has been beaten up severely, brutally. And 120
એનો
નું kind of-
શક્યતા બિલકુલ નથી
આ
કારણ કે
બતાવો સાહેબ, આ
બનાવ પછી
photograph
તો
જુઓ.
ઘણી બધી જગ્યાએ ફરતો દેખાય
Just
છે
minute.
CCTV
There is a report of FSL of vehicle.
vehicle.
Yes, application of brake, everything show. Mechanical examination.
ના, ના, vehicle.
हाँ vehicle है.
સાહેબ
show.
10મી તારીખે તો spot
Yes, let
આમાં
me.
મુકેલો છે.
हाँ बताओ. We accept accidental injury, then show this one.
સાહેબ ત્યાં સુધી 122 સાહેબ એક ફોટો છે.
આ- આ- આ-
122 પર હાથ પર સાહેબ આવા ચક્કામાં મારેલા છે. હાથ પગ 122 આગળના બધા પેજીસ પર સાહેબ પગ પર આવા જ ચક્કામાં માર્યા છે જબરજસ્ત. 122 પર હાથ પર સાહેબ આવા કોઈ ઇન્જરી લક્ઝરી બસ થી થાય જ નહીં. ઇટ્સ અ કોમન સેન્સ. પેજ 121 પર નકલ્સ પર બી છે ઇન્જરીઝ. એ મારી પાસે-
Fracture is not there.
હા. અને પછી
Any
120 પર
fracture is not there.
ફૂટ પર બી સાહેબ આ પ્રકારની ઇન્જરીઝ છે. આ ફૂટ પર બી છે. અને સાહેબ એનએસ માં તો અંદર કઈ રીતે થાય? કર્વેચર.
Page 28 of this section.
20.
8.
Panchnama of luxury is also there.
Luxury.
સાહેબ 10મી તારીખે કર્યું છે. 3જી તારીખનો એક્સિડન્ટ છે. પંચનામું 10મી તારીખે કરવા જાય છે.
આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરીએ અમે તપાસમાં પહોંચીએ ત્યારે
Yes, yes, you are right. You may take your own time. 26, 8,
28.
20.
Page 20, there we have collected samples from the bus.
There is expert opinion,
Yes,
RTO
that
and
opinion.
mechanical opinion.
Yes, these
The application of brake, failure of brake, distance, print mark of tire, everything.
ના, એ તો સાહેબ આ-
Why not? Accidental case, how to investigate them? These all are the expert. And even 279 cases is required now. In this murder here, such serious offense.
ત્રીજી તારીખથી મિસિંગ છે. 10મી તારીખ સાહેબ જાય છે એ લોકો.
as it was a main road, tire marks were not there. આ બસમાંથી જે અમને મળ્યું ને, that we everything had collected.
Mechanical examination of vehicle.
Mechanical examination of vehicle, everything my lord will find.
There is opinion of RTO and
Last 2
mechanical.
pages of this.
FSL opinion, page
Yes.
number,
Last 2 pages.
mechanical defect or anything. Page number,
Last 2 pages, my lord.
last page means this compilation.
હા, એ. મેં જે જુદું આપ્યું ના ના એમાં નહીં, મેં જે જુદું આપ્યું
Yeah, this one is there.
હા.
Yes.
Mechanical નું આપું સાહેબ આમાં જે last but 2-3 lines my lords will find. Conclusion. Internal page 3 in the bottom, my lord.
Page number 49.
There in my copy page number is not.
The DNA test.
મારો તારે નેકેડ કઈ રીતે થઈ ગયો એ પ્રશ્ન સાહેબ. આ લોકોએ કપડા બી કાઢી નાખ્યા
Negative
છે.
statement leader that I will take my lords to that. If my lords, my learned friends only worry is about that, it is very categorically clear that we have found a person who had given him a kambal to wear, jacket to wear. Then he was found in CCTV footage walking there.
115 પર સાહેબ કોણ લઈ જાય છે ગાડીમાં એ દેખાય છે. અમે સીસીટીવી ફૂટેજમાં બતાડીશું. એ દિશામાં ડિરેક્શનમાં ઇન્વેસ્ટિગેશન નથી કરી. હુ હેઝ કમ ટુ પિક હિમ અપ એટ મિડનાઇટ. He is taken away in a car. He is found loitering in a road naked 54 kilometers away from this gondol.
રોજ અથડાયું હતું એવું કે છે.
એવું એક એને એવું લાગે કે
Then damage is also different.
એટલે ડ્રાઈવર ને
માણસ અથડાય તો શું ઈજા થાય?
Driver ને-
ડેમેજ થાય vehicle ને.
Page 43.
Still no.
Page
Bumper guard
43, my
વળી
lord,
નથી
yes,
એનાથી.
page 40.
ફૂલ ગાર્ડ ના વળી જાય એનાથી.
No, no, page 43, my lord.
43. Forty-three is the laptop and mudam laptop. Different it appears.
Yes, સાહેબ આ છે આમદભાઈ છે ને, he was the conductor. અને રાજકોટ થી ગ્રીનલેન્ડ ચોકડી 2 વાગ્યાની આસપાસ પહોંચેલ ત્યાં પેસેન્જર ના હોય.
This one itself is a doubtful, page number 45. Opinion of the forensic expert.
45.
Forensic expert
Yes,
totally.
sir. There our hands are tied.
Not tight na.
We will, yes,
As a
I
guideline.
followed. We will send it to another.
What kind of question you have to raise during the investigation is also very clear. And very cryptic opinion. અભિપ્રાયમાં ફેર હોઈ શકે, અનુભવ પર આધારિત રહે. જસર કહ્યું. Expert opine like this out. He has to make a comment with column wise, including with the timing. Race injury, nature of injury,
Yes, I am not defending it, but only if my lord.
up to that action grievances.
પેજ 79 પર ડોક્ટર હેમાંગ વસાવડાનું એક ઓપિનિયન છે કે આવી ઈજા મેં આટલા જિંદગીમાં અકસ્માતથી નથી થઈ. આ
Who is
કઠણ અને બોથડ પદાર્થ.
Who is Mr. Vasavada?
He is a neurosurgeon.
એમણે opinion newspaper cutting પરથી.
No, he's not a
Newspaper.
Panel, sir.
બોથડ પદાર્થથી થયેલ અને પોસ્ટમોર્ટમ ઓલ્સો રિફ્લેક્ટ્સ. It can be caused by only.
Now, some substance, what is your grievance now?
Our grievance is that since from beginning, from the day when he was missing, we immediately reported on the next day to Gondal police station. That missing report was not taken. It was taken after 2 days. It was registered. Thereafter, this entire accident situation has been created. Before that, he was already died. The dead body was lying in the Rajkot hospital.
Your grievance against the local police?
Yes, they are not investigating. They have not-
Which police?
No, Rajkot City Police,
Rajkot
District Police.
Okay.
Because we reported to the Commissioner of Police immediately.
And your submission, 14th July 2025, compliance is there.
14 July.
Order.
There is an order.
My lord, yes, that we have filed an affidavit.
એ તો forward one છે. ગોંડલનું નથી, રાજકોટનું નથી.
આમાં તો
And who is visitation by which officer? SP?
So since it's an accidental FIR, visitation will be from certain offences.
So now this is a
That
fit
would be
case to transfer the investigation now. Now take the instruction, out of district or CBI. Choice is yours.
No, I will.
No,
send
this
it
is your
back.
stand now. This is a fit case to transfer the investigation. I cannot
About
shut my eyes.
visitation, my lord.
Definitely, sir, what they are doing.
Sir.
And already you have concluded without complete hazy fact. You jump to the conclusion, no, this is accidental case.
I
Now,
am
sir,
sorry,
prima
my lord,
facie,
will
I am
take
not
my
on
lord-
the accident or whatever.
Yes, sir, I will take my lord through the entire sequence, which, because only on the basis of.
Whatever may be
three
verification
doctors'
by any
opinion,
competent officer outside the Rajkot.
But 3 doctors had opined. We cannot
Whatever
go beyond
expert,
that. Now
except
that had created doubt in the mind of.
Are you
what
opposing?
I agree.
Are you opposing?
I am sorry.
Are you opposing to transfer the local police outside the Rajkot?
But question is not of
To
opposition.
give 2 or 3
Question
names,
is of
2 or 3
Yes.
names give, let them to examine independently and place on the record report.
who લઈ
Ah.
નામ લઈ.
Yes, if not ready, then straight away I am going to transfer the investigation to another.
Really belongs to MLA, my lord. And it's a very
Please,
extra.
sorry, sir, I am not.
Difficulty is that
This is
it
the
will not be.
problem. They want
They
to
would
I have
be
nothing- no, no, no.
CBI, that's why I have CBI.
It may be.
I understand. The honorable court wants to transfer outside district, that's a different
And
thing.
keeping
But-
pending, I am not going to dispose of also.
Yeah, please.
No, let now SP, 3 SP, give the name of 3 SP.
DCP had supervised this, that is what. Not
3 SP,
visitation,
give me
but
now.
supervision was there of the.
Give name of 3 SP.
Please, ma'am, we'll do that,
Choice is yours,
We-
except Rajkot, outside the Rajkot.
please.
You also verify the name. Definitely, no, maybe there is some grievance. also there.
Let their choice officer will be there.
No, not choice, no. Verify the name of the
Yes, yes.
credential of officer, no, maybe, sir. Don't know nowadays.
My lord may appreciate now this person will verify the credential of my lord.
Definitely, everything is
Certainly
now-
do that. My lord may
Now
certainly
in the
do
era
that.
of the
But
social
not
media,
if we
everything
left
is
to
open
the-
now. He's our
A promising student aged 24 years.
I am not in,
Under what
under the
circumstances?
sympathy, I am not.
No, no, I am not saying.
And the sensitivity,
No, no,
once
no,
again,
not
on merit, I am
sensitivity.
concerned with the merit.
Yes.
What I have gathered impression from
Yes.
these papers, I am.
No, in
Abide by
fact, my
these
lords have not gone through the entire papers. If my lords permit me, I will take my lords through the entire papers, which will satisfy. I am sure my lords will get satisfied.
You have right, sir. If you ready to give names, you may
I
give.
will.
If
come
you
with
want
the
to argue on
name.
merits, you may argue on merits. I have
will
not
come with
today
the
decided.
name. I will come with the name.
But today I have not decided. Choice is yours. If
No,
you
no.
want to argue on merits, I am ready to deal with merits. Straightway today, if you put an end, then whatever may be, accidental,
Today or
murder,
today
whatever
itself,
may be, I
will
don't
not be
know.
able
Yes,
to
yes,
give
sir,
name.
Tomorrow what
But
happens?
prima facie, the injuries clearly
Choice is
indicate
yours.
that it is a case of murder. These injuries cannot be caused, and for 8 days, the dead body was not disclosed. And the CP is saying
I
that
had
he is alive on
provided-
8.
I had
8 March.
provided minute to minute CCTV footages. There is no question of discarding this
So
CCTV
why you are then
footages.
shying then?
Only thing is that injuries on the body. Now,
What do you
doctor
want?
had
Tomorrow
not
or
given
next
proper
month?
opinion. What my investigating officer will do?
15th? 15th, you may take the instruction you have mentioned.
Please.
Otherwise, you pass it.
Please.
262